Welcome back to the channel. Big up everybody who check in. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Now some people are say Bolt's life is in danger over a series of tweets when put out recently, seemingly exposing the government. Now, Bolt started off by saying, can we bank on them to tell us, are we not in the circle? Hashtag country youth. He further went on to say, they banking on the country youth love for his country. But ask yourself, do they love their country or themselves? It never stopped there, so. Bold said, them know the price of everything, but the value of nothing. With a clock emoji. Bolt wanting money. Clearly, Bolt upset. Right now, it seemed like everybody around left the state. They must say the finance minister gone. And now, they must say the deputy commissioner of police temporarily gone over Turks and Caicos to be the deputy commissioner over there. Talk to me. Some people that say, isn't the Turks and Caicos crime rate lower than Jamaica? Why do they need the help of Jamaica's deputy commissioner? Who knows? But the people must say, what go on with boat money? Where they must say, they must drop some new laws over money laundering. The people are saying, what they are asking for is, what is the consequences for elected officials if they are caught doing these crimes? Not for new laws to be passed. Worse if the people must say, based on what them say, the laws for the rich are not the same laws for the people. The people must say they never need no laws for people. This whole thing found out because of elected officials. So why is it that the new laws what they matter about are for regular people? What that have to do with the matter at hand? What that have to do with what the integrity commissioner say, what the opposition say, and what the government say? Because nothing. That's why the people continue to say everything what the government do seem to be a distraction from them real issues. Anytime the people ask the government about something, them always raise them and stand up, go to the microphone, and talk about something completely different from what the people ask them about. The people tired and fed up. Clearly Bolt tired and fed up. Bolt has returned to take into the media to express how him feel about how the world situation are going. Because you know through Bolt rich, people are saying, maybe Bolt they've not think about the money there. A Bolt, him rich. Bolt is a keep in mind. These same people, you know him at about. Some people are at the state. Him say, they know the value of everything. They know the cost of everything, but not the value of nothing. Him say them a bank on the fact say, the country would love him country. But him a say, do they love their country? A question that most people ask, and with it being close to a general election, some people are say, Bolt just expose the system. Bolt again a point out to the people say, these people seem to bank on the fact that the people of the country love the country and want a better country. We see it. That's why the people are so interested in who should be the leader. That's why you have people in support of the Prime Minister and people in support of the opposition leader. But Bolt is asking a question. Do the ones who we are talking about are who we elect to lead the country, do they care about the country? Are just themselves? Are they thinking for the good of the country? Are just themselves? What we have clearly seen is that whether elected officials are high-ranking individuals, one thing for sure, there'll always be a place for them somewhere else in the Caribbean. Or some other big job or promotion. What about the people? The people must say it's almost like nobody no care. Buju did say it. What about those who can't? Them will have to stay. An opportunity is a scarce commodity. The people are ask. Bolt ask. Now will we get answers? We don't know. But the people, them, for one, are saying that them tired of the government found out whichever party becomes the government. And when the people them ask about something, they might try to tell them about something else. The people are asking, what about the matters at hand? You have some places that people ask about road all along. People have been elected upon the promise of said road. And when the people them forward to them, or something else they might talk to them about. Not about the road, you know. But something else. But they must say more important than the road at this point in time. So when I see the people them fed up and tired of them something. Talk to me in the comment section, tell me what you think. Bolt as somebody that has been silent over this whole situation with SSL and their money for a long time. Some people that say Bolt situation is with the company. But I guess because Bolt here like everybody else say, the government bail out the company. Bolt here like everybody else say, some people get the good news because some money go run. If the company never have no money and the government bail out the company or help out the company and now the money go run, everybody assumes say, yo, the government money run for the people for help. You know what I mean? Give the people back their money. Bolt has our fee money there. If Bolt get fee money, you know what I mean? Bolt will depend X. And you know what I mean? If you talk about the situation. Tell me what you think. Would this be in something where people are talking about? With Sir Bolt being somebody with worldwide fame. Not just somebody well known locally. Somebody who in a business with a big company. Definitely Bolt a forward out and point out these things. Will definitely go a far away. Will it influence voters in a voting time? Who really knows? We can really speak to future events. We can say right now though, even supporters of the government, I look on the government away when they must see somebody like Bolt to speak out. And the way Bolt to speak out too, Bolt simply asks, do they love the country like how the people love the country? Remember, upon the campaign trail, when you see the whole heap of people out there and the conference arena them full and them thing there, as the support of the people. And you know, different people there for different reasons. You have to say that. You have to also look and admit to that fact. But people concerned about the leadership of the country because they genuinely love the country. Can the state say the same? Can the system say the same? Like, can members of the state or system say the same? But talk to me in the comment section, tell me what you think. If you're new to the channel, let's pass through. Click the subscribe icon and the bell icon, and of course put it on all. And this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share. And tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them to check out the channel, check out the reason, and also join the discussion. Now until the reason again, my sentiments for you and yours, if you want to live, love and prosper, if you want to stay tuned.